This video is about secretions in the different places of the alimentary canal and some of the associated organs that produce the secretions. Okay, so in the mouth, there are salivary glands that produce saliva. Okay, and this gives the mouth the pH 7 for salivary amylase to work. So we write salivary amylase because there are other amylase that you will hear later in this video, and we distinguish the different amylase or the different enzymes by putting the word from where it actually is secreted. Okay, so salivary amylase and saliva in the mouth. The stomach secretes hydrochloric acid, which gives the stomach a pH 2. And this is the optimum pH for pepsin, which is a protease to act on proteins. So these two originate from the gastric glands in the stomach. Now, for the small intestine, there are three sources of secretion. The first source would be the liver. The liver produces bile. The gallbladder stores the bile. Right? It's just like how the kidney produces urine, but the urinary bladder stores the urine until we need to release it. So likewise, the gallbladder stores the bile, and when food enters the duodenum, it will release the bile. The pancreas, exocrine glands, okay, the glands that produce enzymes, secrete the enzymes pancreatic protease, amylase, maltase, and lipase. These are the enzymes that the pancreas makes and secretes, and it also secretes sodium bicarbonate. Those are from the glands in the pancreas. Now, in the small intestine, the intestinal glands will also produce enzymes. So we have intestinal amylase, intestinal lipase, intestinal protease. Now all these secretions from the liver, the pancreas, and the intestinal glands are secreted into the small intestine. Okay, so the purpose of bile, besides the emulsification effect, okay, it works when combined together with sodium bicarbonate, it will give the intestine a pH 8. And then you guessed it right, pH 8 is the optimum pH for the different lipase, different enzymes that are found or secreted into the small intestine from the glands. So that is the reason why in your notes on page 6 I have summarized it into this table to show where the source is and where it is secreted. So it seems like a lot, but actually the sources of secretion